How to allow or block VR helper services permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on Apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on special access. So after click on special access, scroll down and you will see VR helper services here. So click on VR helper services. So after click on VR helper services, now here showing you helper services permission button. So if you want to allow VR helper services permission, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see VR helper services permission is allowed. So if you want to block VR helper service permission, so turn off this button. So you will see VR helper services permission is blocks. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or block VR helper services permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.